The Grandimate 2 has the web server as remote control. There is no special app required. The console can be remotely controlled with any modern browser. I can use any tablet, smartphone or laptop. Setting up is very easy. I just have to integrate an access point into the MA net. The IP address of the console and the access point have to match. The Grandimate have to be a part of a session. At Global Settings, I have to enable the remote login. Now I connect my device with the access point. And in the browser window, I give the IP address of my Grandimate 2 system. Now I can log in with my user and my password. The use area is varied. For big systems with several focus teams, I like to give everyone a tablet device and assign each team their own user. Thanks to the multi-user function, everyone can work independently of each other. With a login macro, I can always intervene and provide support. My name is Fietz, and I thank you for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe this channel and do not miss the next episode.